My review is on the Leatherman Super Tool 300 and what shocked me so much about this tool. Now, I've had Leathermans for many years. I've had the Leatherman OHT in the black, and for 5 years, I work in HVAC, I beat on that tool. It took the worst of everything, the cold, the wet, the salt, everything, up until it grew legs and walked. That tool was my go-to tool, my go-to Leatherman. Afterwards, my supervisor got us this one for Christmas. Had it for a short period of time, maybe less than a year. And what shocked me about it was it failed. As you can see how it failed. I had a piece of wire and I was curling it around a screw, and the funny part was I was afraid the wire would break because of how old the wire was. So I was extremely concerned for the wire, not the Leatherman. And as I was curling it, stopped curling, and I thought it slipped off at first, and then I noticed that the Leatherman had just completely failed. And really, in not such a great spot. In fact, I felt a pretty dangerous spot, right? Look at how thin it is there. If a failure was going to occur, I really thought it would have happened here, between where the hole's been tapped out for the replaceable cutter, how thin the metal got there. You would expect it to fail there, but no. It failed at what I thought was going to be one of the stronger points. See if I can get the camera to focus. But yeah, it failed right there at the mechanism. Like I said, very shocked. I actually really had high hopes for this tool. On the OHT I really liked because the pliers retracted in. This one you have to manually fold them out. But really good knife. File. Bunch of flatheads, an aug, a saw, a serrated blade, a really nice Phillips head end. It was going to be a promising tool, and yet it failed. And it was kind of crazy. Anyways, guys, I haven't reached out to Leatherman or anything to ask them if they'll replace her or not. I don't know if they would even. But I was really shocked and surprised by this, because I've had Leathermans a long time and I've never had this kind of a failure. Alright guys, that's it. If you liked the video, please subscribe, leave a like and a comment in the section below, and I'll see you guys next time.